Namaskara, good evening, namaste. Thank you. कहते हैं बच्चे भगवान के रूप होते हैं. We're here to celebrate the wonderfully talented kids from Namma Bengaluru. This is the first of its unique concept which is brought into Bangalore, is what I hear. I'm not claiming it. And AV Corp is very happy to present these talented kids to you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
A very warm welcome to all of you. Please enjoy the program. Thank you so much.
We have our able anchors. Thank you. We have our able anchors, Rajiv and Priya. Rajiv, both of them are professionals, and I don't have to say anything about them. You know them very well. But Priya has been flown from Mumbai for this, and we are happy they are with us. I'm leaving the stage and handing over the mic to Rajiv and Priya.
Welcome, Rajiv and Priya.
Thank you so much. Firstly, I'd like to thank a very dear friend, Dr. Vidya and Ashok, for this opportunity. This is the first time I'm only co-hosting, I'm not the main host of this. My very able expert music, we call him like the Spotify music, Rajiv is an expert. But thank you for the opportunity. And when I was waiting for everybody to come, I spoke to some parents, and then I realized that this is the first only children's music show. So really a big round of applause to them, because it's outstanding that they're giving a platform for children to showcase their talent. And I just want to start and end by saying that it's for the children and by the children. Why for the children? Because all of us sitting here have a child within us. Some people like to show their kiddishness. Some people do not like to show the child within yourself. So it is actually literally for and by the children, I would say. It's going to be a fabulous show. Some of the songs are really, really difficult, and the children have been practicing for, I think, weeks and days and hours at end in their free time, over and above the studies. So really, a lot of credit for the parents also, who are all sitting here, for all the support. So please request you all to listen to the entire show undisturbed and sell silent, and really enjoy and appreciate all the children who are waiting backstage and very nervous. I hand it over to the expert Rajiv, who's the dawn of music, to take it ahead.
Namaskara. Lovely to see a lot of familiar faces. That gives me a lot of comfort. Yakendre, I prepared a lot of notes, but then I realized that's not required at all here. Because Bangalore always has been forefront of knowledge of music. I've always said this in every show I've gone. You don't need to be told about any song. You know the music director, you know the singer, you know the lyricist. So I'm not going to do anything of those. But before that, this is not only children for the children, also a non-ticketed show. So completely sponsored by AV Corp. So I think that deserves a huge round of applause. I have known Dr. Vidya for about a year and a half now, and every time I've spoken to her, she always wants to introduce new talent. And she's always very keen to give a platform to a lot of budding artists. And I met Sri in that context. And then we have seen a lot more people she has really brought into the spotlight. So this is not easy to do. And especially when you see the shows around and sponsorships and then ticketed and everybody wants a full house. Here is a show which is with pure, simple heart for the kids, by the kids, and for you. And absolutely fully sponsored show. So thank you so much, Dr. Vidya. And a great thanks to what I call the Bachchan Saab, my very good friend Ashok, who is a pillar of strength and also supports all the endeavors, whatever Vidya is embarking on. So AV Corp is truly something we are very proud to associate with. Okay? So today, I'll give you an overall thing. The song list changed because today we were supposed to introduce Dhwani, who is Shruti Bida's daughter. But unfortunately, she is not well and she couldn't make it today. And because of that, some of the songs have changed. So I have some outdated song list looks like. But what is in here is basically that we have about 22 Hindi songs. We have one English song. We have some 5 Kannada songs. We have 1 Tamil song and 1 Telugu song. And this probably is our song list for the day. And then there is one dance which also will be performed somewhere during the midst of the show. And the beauty of this entire set is that there are songs from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000, 2025. We have the entire spectrum being covered. And then right from Rafi Saab, Kishore, Mukesh to Sonu Nigam, the entire coverage is there from singer's perspective. And right from Lakshmikant Parallel to A.R. Rahman we have covered from a music director's perspective. So it is very, very interesting set. The songs are really difficult. Priya did talk about it. Some of the songs are really difficult. The kids have done a fabulous job to get to where they have gotten. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Vidya will introduce the singers when they come for the first time. She's going to talk about them. And if there are some snippets which need to be shared with you, I will come and do it. If not, just let ourselves loose. Next couple of hours, just enjoy the songs and have a good time. Salvia. Thanks.
Without much ado, let's begin the celebration with Anmol, a 15-year-old singing sensation, has been passionate about music since the age of 6. Trained by Guruji Krishna Kumar sir, he's won numerous awards, including our ISN Superstar Season 1 worldwide, and the Best Popular Award at KIMA, Kannada International Music Awards 2020, a finalist in Bangalore Idol Hunt and selected for the 3rd round of Sony TV Super Singer. Anmol is a versatile and multilingual musician who plays the guitar and sings with great passion. Let's hear Dil Ibadat from Anmol.
Check, check, yeah. दिल इबादत कर रहा है, धड़कने मेरी सुन, तुझको मैं कर लूं हास, लगी है मेरी धुन। जिंदगी की शाख से कुछ नसीब में चुन, तुझको मैं कर लूं हास, लगी है मेरी धुन। तुझको मैं कर लूं हास लगी है यही धुन. Thank you.
What a start! What a start! Just a word. This song was sung by KK. We lost him, and a very, very, absolutely fantastic talent. He gave us some great songs, and this was a tribute to KK.
Next up is the beautiful Roshni Ghosh, a singer, songwriter, composer, and Hindustani classical vocalist who began her musical journey at the age of 5. She is pursuing BTech in AI and data science alongside a BA in Hindustani classical. She's actually trained by her mom, Paromita Ghosh. Trained under the renowned gurus, including Vidushi Indrani Mukherjee and Pandit Bhavdeep Jaipurwale, she has won several national level music competitions. A top 20 finalist of Indian Idol Telugu, she sings in 8 languages and plays multiple instruments. Roshni also teaches Western vocals and keyboard while creating original compositions with her mother as a band, Mom and Me. Welcome, Roshni Ghosh. One of the verticals that AV Co-op is aiming at is for a peaceful pass-away home for elders whose children don't have time for their parents. In this, we would like to tell you that there's a live donation contribution going on here. If you like, we can do something for the cause. Thank you.
Check.
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों की तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों की तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया दबे दबे पाँव से आज दिल की ये सभी
was beautiful, beautiful, Roshni. Next up is one of my favorite singers. All of them are my favorites, but this guy, because he strike a chord, believe me. And my mom likes him more because he's trained in Carnatic classical music. Shreyas Kumar, a gifted 20-year-old studying computer engineering at Dayanand Sagar College, learning Carnatic classical music under the guidance of Vidwan Geeta Hirannaya Madam for the past 10 years now. Even with Vidwan Anur Anantakrishna sir, learning the tabla with Pandit Dr. Rajagopal Kalluru for the past 7 years. He's participated in Zee TV Saregama Pass season 16, Dr. S.P. Balu sir's Idathumbi Haduvenu, and TV Hindi Voice India Kids season 1. He's a finalist of Shankara TV, Super Singer, and Classical Reality Show. He's a winner in the Senior Classical Vocal Category Competition of Gayana Samaja, Annual Classical Music Competition in the year 2024. Runner-up in the Radio City 91.1 FM Super Singer Show. He's participated in numerous public singing shows. Welcome, Shreyas Kumar Satyakiran.
So before Shreyas begins, the song is sung by Zubin Garg. Zubin is was an Assamese Bengali singer, was a writer, producer, director, music composer, who passed away in September 2025. A guy who was so influential, and he was able to mobilize a lot of youth in the Northeast and really created a cult. I was very fortunate to hear him in a concert in Bangalore. This song Shreyas is going to sing is from Gangster. He actually stayed away from Bollywood music. He was not too keen to really do this much. But then, when you go home today, Google a movie called ICU. ICESEU. It is a Arjun Rampal movie. There is a song in that called Suba Suba. And hear it. You will understand what Zubin Garg was. This is a small tribute to us, and I hope you like this song.
यारी रहम वाली यारी यार पे कुर्बान सभी यारी मदद यारी यारी मेरी यारी ये जिंदगी इश्क पे मिटा दूं लुटा दूं मैं अपनी खुदी यार पे लुटा बिना तेरे मैं एक पल हूँ न बिन तेरे कभी कल हो ये दिल बन जाए पत्थर का न इसमें कोई हलचल हो सनम पे हाँ इश्क पे हाँ मिटा दूँ लुटा दूँ मैं अपनी खुदी यार पे हाँ मिटा दूँ लुटा दूँ मैं ये हंसती यारी रहम वाली यारी यार पे कुर्बान सभी यारी मदद यारी यारी ये मेरी जाने जिंदगी
Outstanding. We are live in 180 countries across the globe. Thanks to Harish Joshi Balaji. We are live on Balaji musical page. Introducing the most sought after teenage sensation in the Bangalore music circuit, who can sing almost anything. She is pursuing her graduation in Vidvat after completing senior grade in Carnatic music. She has done playback singing for Kannada movies and 2 album songs. She has also performed in all the prestigious stages in Bengaluru and Karnataka. The only singer in the whole of South India to feature on the Saregama official portal with 32 million views. Meet Namma Hemme, Siri Chandrasekhar.
So this is first Kannada song of the evening. 1975 movie, Bili Henti, Rangena Halliyage, sung by Vani Jairam and music by Vijay Bhaskar.
रंगीला हरियाली रंगीला हरियाली हल्ली अल्लम्मा हल्ली हल्ली रंगीला हरियाली हा रंगीला हरियाली बंगार कप्पा तोट्ट रंगाद रंगी गौಡ मेरे का रंगीला हरियाली बंगार
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸಿರಿ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಛೋಟಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಡ ಧಮಾಕ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Dhruv Bharadwaj is a versatile singer inspired by the legends Kishore Kumar and Mohammad Rafi Saab. He has won the Inter-School Solo Singing August 2025 and Bharatiya Mid-Mall of Bangalore 2025 titles. He was the first runner-up in the Gopal Mall Solo Super Singer 2024 and the finalist in the Lulu Mall Little Star 2025. He's also featured in the Puneet Rajkumar tribute anthem Neene Neene Rajakumara, released by Miss Ashwini Rajkumar on January 26, 2025. The Chota Packet, Dhruv Bharadwaj.
Yeah. Before Dhruv comes, this is the first Sonu Nigam song of the evening. 9999 number from Sangarsh, Jatin Lalit Music. Today we know Sonu Nigam 2025, but imagine 1999, about 24-25 years back, and the power of Sonu. See the range and the variation, and I'm sure Dhruv will do full justice to the song. Over to Dhruv.
ಚೆಕ್ ಚೆಕ್.
मुझे रात दिन बस मुझे चाहती हो, मुझे रात दिन बस मुझे चाहती हो. कहो ना कहो मुझको सब कुछ पता है. हाँ करूँ क्या मुझे तुम बताती नहीं. you.
One word about Dhruv. Dhruv is training under Prahlad Prasad in the Prahlad Mira Academy. And like his mentor, he doesn't take a look at the lyrics. All the songs that he sings are by heart at this age.
Thank you.
Next up is a special dedication to COD Dikshit. Where are you? Yeah. Especially for you. Thank you, Anitji. Noel Jaijo, age 17, is a passionate young musician classically trained under Sri Onkar Vaidya. He continues to expand his musical range by learning Western and Malayalam film classical songs. A multiple-time winner in various music competitions, Noel aspires to pursue music professionally. His performances are featured on YouTube, showcasing his versatile talent. A skilled pianist and the lead vocalist of Band 35, he has performed at numerous shows across Koramangala and Sarjapur in Bangalore. Noel Jaijo for you.
Yeah, before Noel takes over the stage, this is another all-time favorite Sonu number for me. I'm sure if you make a list of Sonu's top 3-4 songs, this will be there. This is Agnipath, Atul Ajay, and Over to Noel.
It's also my sister's favorite song.
A lot of
All
favorite
favorites.
songs.
मुझे बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी धड़कन जाना जिंदा मैं तो कुछ ऐसी लहर इस लम्हे एक बंधन नया पीछे से अब मुझको बुलाए आने वाले कल की डूब कर मुझको सता जाए कुछ ऐसा नहीं किसी रंग है ये रंग कहाँ था मेरा इस झूलूं जरा मर जाऊं क्या जी लूं जरा खुशियाँ झूम लूं या रो लूं जरा मर जाऊं क्या जी लूं जरा
Fantastic. Out of the world level. Thank you. While some kids have already performed for us, all the children from the other schools have been coordinated by Sioni Dikshit. Thank you, Sioni. Next up, Leher Prashant, a young author and dynamic performer with a strong passion for creative expression. She has showcased her talent in multiple stage programs, always impressing audiences with her confidence and charm. Her deep love for music fuels her artistic journey and inspires her performances. A dedicated fitness enthusiast, Leher brings discipline and energy and positivity to everything she pursues. Leher Prashant for you. Next up.
Yeah, before she starts, 1992, if I tell you that year, what comes to your mind? No? That was the year of Roja. Mani Ratnam unearthed a young talent by name Dilip, we now know as A.R. Rahman. And he took the nation by storm. The songs, when I was 19 those times, and we used to get those cassettes, and we had to hear them. I think we heard, some of us got into a room with a tape recorder, heard it for about 24 hours non-stop. Because that was the power of that album. And that was A.R. Rahman, who now has taken us to Oscars and is still the best talent India has. And he's the first album's Choti Si Asha for you.
When I saw the list, I told Vidya and Rajiv, this next song, please let me announce. How many Shah Rukh fans here? Oh, lovely. Who's Shah Rukh? And I'm coming from his city. So the next song is one of my favorites from by the very talented Anmol who started the show. Every time I feel a little, the requirement or the need for more energy and an uplift in the mood, I hear this song. Mitwa from Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. I must have heard it 500 times.
Check, check.
I would also like to acknowledge the people online who are helping us spread the view. And we already have 1K views on the program in just 9 songs. Balaji, entire group of Balaji, Nirmala Thakur, Paras Jain, Tapas Das ji, Rajarat is watching. He's on the way, so he's taking time and watching it there. Thank you, Harish Joshi ji. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किस और चला है तू क्या पाया नहीं तूने क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू जो है कहीं जो है सुनी वो बात क्या है बता मितवा जो है अनसुनी वो बात क्या है मितवा रहे दर्द तुझसे क्या मितवा ये तुझसे तो ना तू छुपा मेरे मन में बता दे तू किस और चला है तू क्या पाया नहीं तूने क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू ये खुद से तो ना तू छुपा थैंक यू
Big round of applause for Anmol. Anmol is another singer who doesn't take a look at the lyrics always. Thank you, Anmol. Next up, we have a special item for you all. Yoga Padma Neha Korse. A PU student in Bengaluru is a national Yogasana champion and international Yogasana player. Yogasana is her passion and classical dance. Her devotion, learning from her guru, Sri Parameshwara Sir and Guru Srimati Kausalya Nivas Madam, respectively. Swimming, skating, singing, flute, Gita chanting, Radha Krishna, Ramayana stories and environment conservation, including green plantation, clean India initiatives are her favorite hobbies. Actually, she has a 3-page profile. This is just the first paragraph. Alva Vijay sir? Alva sir? Okay. Neha for you.
महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं महुकाररूपं शिवं शिवं महासूर्यचन्द्राग्निनेत्रं पवित्रं महागाढतिमिरान्तकं सौरगात्रं महाकान्तिबीजं महादिव्यतेजं भवानी समेतं भजे मञ्जुनाथं नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च भवहराय च महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं भजे मञ्जुनाथं शिवं शिवं अद्वैतभास्करम् अर्धनारीश्वरं त्रिदशहृदयङ्गमं चतुर्दधिसङ्गमं पञ्चभूतात्मकं षट्शत्रुनाशकं सप्तस्वरेश्वरं अष्टसिद्धीश्वरं नवरसमनोहरं दशदिशासु विमलम् मेकादशोज्ज्वलं मेकनाथेश्वरं प्रस्तुतिवशङ्करं प्रणतजनकिङ्करं दुर्जनभयङ्करं सज्जनशुभङ्करं प्राणिभवतारकं प्रकृतिहितकारकं भुवनभव्यभवनायकं भाग्यात्मकं रक्षकम् ईशं सुरेशं ऋषेशं परेशं नटेशं गौरीशं गणेशं भूतेशं महामधुरपञ्चाक्षरी मन्त्रमार्षं महर्षवर्षप्रवर्षौ सुशीर्षौ नमो हराय च स्मरहराय च पुरहराय च रुद्राय च भद्राय च इन्द्राय च नित्याय च निर्निद्राय च महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं भजे मञ्जुनाथं शिवं शिवं डं डं डडं डं डडं डं डडं डं डढक्कानिनादनवताण्डवाडम्बरं तद्दिम्मि तगदिम्मि दिद्दिम्मि दिमिदिम्मि सङ्गीतसाहित्य सुमकमलबम्बरम् ओङ्कार ह्रीङ्कार श्रीङ्कार ऐङ्कार मन्त्रबीजाक्षरं मञ्जुनाथेश्वरं ऋग्वेदमाद्यं यजुर्वेदवेद्यं सामप्रगीतम् अथर्वप्रभातं पुराणेतिहासप्रसिद्धं विशुद्धं प्रपञ्चैकसूत्रं विबुद्धं सुसिद्धं नकारं मकारं सिकारं बकारं यकारं निराकार साकार महाकालकालं महानीलकण्ठं महानन्दनन्दं महाट्टाटहसं जटाजूटरङ्गैकगङ्गा सुचित्रं ज्वलद्वुग्रनेत्रं सुमित्रं सुगोत्रं महाकाशभागं महाभानुलिङ्गम् महाभद्रुवर्णं सुवर्णं प्रवर्णम् सौराष्ट्रसुन्दरं सौमनाथेश्वरं श्रीशैलमन्दिरं श्रीमल्लिकार्जुनम् उज्जयिनीपुरमहाकाळेश्वरं वैद्यनाथेश्वरं महाभीमेश्वरम् अमरलिङ्गेश्वरं धामलिङ्गेश्वरं काशीविश्वेश्वरं परं कृष्णेश्वरं त्र्यम्बकाधीश्वरं नागलिङ्गेश्वरं श्रीकेदारलिङ्गेश्वरं लिङ्गात्मकं ज्योतिलिङ्गात्मकं वायुलिङ्गात्मकम् आत्मलिङ्गात्मकम् अखिललिङ्गात्मकम् अग्निसोमात्मकम् अनादिम् अमेयम् अजेयम् अचिन्त्यम् अमोघम् अपूर्वम् अनन्तम् अखण्डम् अनादिम् अमेयम् अजेयम् अचिन्त्यम् अमोघम् अपूर्वम् अनन्तम् अखण्डम् धर्मस्थलक्षेत्रवरपरं ज्योतिम् धर्मस्थलक्षेत्रवरपरं ज्योतिम् धर्मस्थलक्षेत्रवरपरं ज्योतिम् ॐ नमः सोमाय च सौम्याय च भव्याय च भाग्याय च शान्ताय च शौर्याय च योगाय च भोगाय च कालाय च कान्ताय च रम्याय च गम्याय च ईशाय च श्रीशाय च शर्वाय च सर्वाय च
Agreed, agreed. Standing ovation for Neha. Thank you, Neha. Superb. Thank you, beta. No. That's your turn.
So how are you enjoying? So my very dear friend Gayatri said when we came into the program, I would love to hear the children any day over the adults. So I think that's proving right today. So we also want to thank all the people who are contributing online for the cause which Vidya spoke about. So please continue doing that. Siri is going to present the next song. This is another Kannada song from a movie called Love 360. It's a 2022 release. It's a Sid Sriram song. So she's taking a shot at this. It's a difficult song. Arjun Janya, the music director. Siri, are you here?
मरुभूमि
Next, you all know his father, who is a celebrity singer in Bengaluru, Harris. Studying in 8th standard, Fazran, or now all of 14 years, started singing at the age of 5. He's learning Hindustani classical music from Nasir Khanji. He's very much interested in playing musical instruments like the flute, keyboard, the mouth organ, and guitar. Yes, sir. We have another harmonica expert here, Sridhar Ramo, sir. He started presenting songs on the flute. Recently, he was very much appreciated on the Bihar Chat Puja Fest stage in Bangalore. He'll now be presenting a classic, iconic number, Ik Pyar Ka Nagma Hai, on the flute.
Yeah. So she said it. 1972, Lakshmikant Peralal, Mukesh Lata. It's probably one of top 3 Mukesh songs. But it's on the flute. Over to him. So get ready for the first duet of the evening. 1992, Khiladi. Probably the movie which was Akshay's first prominent hits, and then a movie which went on to become a franchise. This is a Jatin Lalit number, Alka Yagnik and Abhijit. Vada Rahasanam.
Noel and Roshni for you.
चल
मिट ना सकेगा फसाना हमारी चाहतों का, मिट ना सकेगा फसाना। वादा रहा सनम, कोई जुड़ा रहा, चाहे चाहे हमारी चाहतों का, मिट ना सकेगा फसाना। हमारी चाहतों का, मिट ना सकेगा फसाना।
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ 92ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯ ಜೀವನ ಚೈತ್ರ ಅಣ್ಣವರ ಹಾಡು ನಾದಮಯ, ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸಂಗೀತ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ. ಈ ಹಾಡಿಗೆ ಅಣ್ಣವರಿಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. Nobody can do justice to this song like Shreyas can do. Sit back and relax and enjoy this song. ನಾದಮಯ ನಾದಮಯ ಹೇ ಲೋಕವೆಲ್ಲ, ನಾದಮಯ ಹೇ ಲೋಕವೆಲ್ಲ, ಕುಳಲಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಆನಂದ ತಂದಿರಲು, ನದಿಯ ನೀರು ಮುಗಿಲ ಸಾಲು ಮುರಳಿಯ ಸ್ವರದಿ ಬೆರೆತು ಚಲನೆ ಮರೆತು ನಿಂತಿರಲು. ನಾದಮಯ ಹೇ ಲೋಕವೆಲ್ಲ, ನಾದಮಯ. ಸ್ವರಗಳ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ, ಮೃಗಗಳ ತಗಿಸೆ ಕಗಗಳ ಕುಣಿಸೆ. ಸ್ವರಗಳ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ, ಮೃಗಗಳ ತಗಿಸೆ ಕಗಗಳ ಕುಣಿಸೆ. ಸಡಗರದಿಂದ ಗಗನದ ಅಂಚಿಂದ
ಪುರುಷರಿ ಭುವಿಯ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತಿರಲು ನಾದಮಯ ಲೋಕವೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಳ್ಳದಿಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ಆನಂದ ತಂದಿರಲು ನಾದಮಯ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಧನಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಮ ನೀ ರೀ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ನಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ನಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಧನಿ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಧನಿ ಸರಿ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮದನಿ ಸನ್ನಾದಮಯ ಬಗದ ಬಗದ ಬಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗ ಬಗದ ಬಗ ದಾನ ಗಗದ ಸದನ ಪಸದ ಬಗ ಸರಿ ಗ ಪಸದ sa 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 ri sa ga ni ri ba 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 da ni ri ba 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 da ni ri ba 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 da 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 ni ri ba ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಗ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸ ಇರಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ಗಮದನಿ ತನ 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 ನಾದಮಯ ಲೋಕವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾದಮಯ
ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿಗೆ ಅದು ಜೋರ್ದಾರ್ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ಗೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಓವೇಷನ್ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಛೋಟಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ರಾವ್, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 5th, ಕುಮರನ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಮ್, ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿದುಷಿ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್, ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಿಸಸ್ ನವ್ಯ. ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ರಾವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಫುಲ್ಲ.
So she is singing a 2011 Kannada number from Sanju Vets Geeta. This is a Shreya Ghoshal number, music by Jesse Gift.
ಭಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತೇನಾ? ಆಯ್ತು, ಹಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Next song from the last 10 minutes, I've been seeing all the children practicing because I scared them and they'll hate me. I said, you all have to sing this song with so much depth and emotion and you have to rock it. So they're looking at me and said, sing with me. I said, I can't sing. A crow will sing better than me. What are you saying? We Are the World, 45 global artists. I think you all know this song. It always, I'm sure, will move all of us. 45 global artists under one roof. Very tough to get them all together. 1982, We Are the World. Please come. All the best.